Hello YouTube, welcome to yet another new video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Tractor Ghost from 2024 Singles Case D. So let's get right into it. So again, the usual True Plus Mattel, diecast and the airtight blister. Tractor Ghost, translations, new for 2024, racetrack background, Disney Pixar cars. Got the artwork which I do actually really like. There's the Chew All logo is present on there, whereas it's not on the diecast, which I'm not really a fan of, but whatever. On the back, we're as seen in Cars on the Road, Red Dead Marker, Randy, Cryptocustom Mater, Gearston Marshall, Mallory Carhart, and Marto. There are the little jargon on the back no one cares about. So let's get the Tractor Ghost all opened up. Here he is, and I do really like the Tractor Ghost. I'm a sucker for more tractors. So it's a standard sort of tractor with the green ghost sort of shade all over. I'll compare him to the tractor and to Mallory Carhart in a second to show you all what I mean. Expression looking to the left or to their right. So the tractor's quite curious to see what's going on. Easily the most sort of vivid and unique expression on the tractor. Most of them have a generic stone sort of expression. That's the base. I'm going to compare him to the tractor with tire in mouth, and the reason I'm doing that is because I feel it's fairest to compare him to another tractor that's already been out from Thailand. The regular regular tractor has not been out from Thailand yet, for reasons unknown, but hopefully they do it soon. There's a mini racers tractor which was released in a tree pack in 2021 and has just been re-released in 2024 Wave 2, so hopefully that means there's a Tractor Ghost Mini on the way. We'll see. Okay, so Mallory Carhart here, the only other ghost that has been released. You'd say Mallory's shade of green is maybe just a tad bit lighter. Not by much, but it's noticeable. No, I enjoy the ghost cars, so by all means, keep them coming. So we got Mallory Carhart here, got the Tractor Ghost, and my boy Randy. Just sure the cars have been released from Lights Out so far. Again, hopefully we'll see more ghosts soon. I know, Leaves from the Weeds, I forgot about them. I do have them coming from America though, so they should be here in a few weeks' time. But again, that is it for the video. So you all know what to do. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll catch you all in the very next video.